Population risk percentage. The PAR percentage is the portion of the disease incidence in the population that is being exposed, both non and exposed population. The portion of the risk in exposed people is due to the exposure. The attributable risk hopes to accomplish in reducing the risk of the disease by completely eliminating the exposure. To calculate the PAR percentage, we look at the PAR divided by the risk incidence of the population. The cohort study that we have been going over today have a total population with and without diabetes of 8,545, measuring both normal and overweight values. The table shows the overweight values and the normal weight of both diabetes and non-diabetic population, giving us total incidence per 1,000. The PAR percentage for this particular chart is 96.4% of incidence of diabetes, which means of the risk of the diabetes is due to the contributing factor of being overweight, thus preventable by weight reduction. So, based on the chart and the information, we see that weight gain has incidence of diabetes.